Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress up as a cupcake and dress to impress. So if you want to create a cute and creative outfit, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can dress up as a cupcake in DTI. So this cupcake custom is a hidden item in a new DTI updates. So what you need to do here from the salon, you can just go straight and turn left, and under this paintings right here, this red painting at the corner, you'll see a cupcake lying down. You can click on it and then you'll get this cupcake custom that you can customize. You can change the color to how you like it. So for the bottom, I'm going to change it into pink color. For the top, I'm going to change it, I think, into white. And you can also change the sprinkle color. Here I'm going to change each color. And to complete the look, you can also add the cute makeup and hair. So here I'm going to add for the makeup. Okay, I think I'm going to go with this cute makeup here. So once done with the makeup, I'm going to do the hair. Okay, you can choose the one that you like, but I'm going to just go with the first ones in here. And you can change the color to sync with the outfit. So I'm going to change it into pink and I think white, like this. And now it's done. Oops. Okay, so here it is, the final look for the cupcake costume. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to create one, you can now go to DTI and recreate this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!